My name is Raymond Hurd. I've lived in Wilson County 60 years. I'm married to Mimi. We've got 2 kids. Lived in this house for 24 years. Our whole idea about getting solar was we like to be a little bit independent, and so the solar power is kind of in line with that. When you plant a garden and that sort of thing, you want your soil not to be contaminated. You want the air that the plants are breathing to be clean. So everything that we can do to help that, I think, is good. A tornado came through Wilson County and it knocked our power off for a little bit more than 24 hours. We didn't really realize right at first that our power was off because everything was still working in the house. Our Tesla batteries powered our house for the next 24 hours without even a break. We have some apartments in Tullahoma. I think it's good business to demonstrate that you care about the environment and you care about being green. Solar panels are a big way that when somebody drives up now to our clubhouse and they're thinking about renting an apartment, we've got a solar array on that building. Solar power is a great thing, and Lightwave did very high quality work. It gives us just a little bit more comfort and security to have these solar panels. Comfort that we're always going to have some power, and that if we manage it well, it could actually carry us for days.